Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing Python on a MacBook Air is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step tutorial for you. You can find Terminal in the Applications Utilities folder, or you can use Spotlight by pressing Cmd Space and typing Terminal. To check if Python is already installed, type the following command in the terminal and press Enter. If Python is installed, you will see a version number. If it's not installed, you'll see a message suggesting to install the command line developer tools. Homebrew is a package manager for macOS. It makes it easy to install and manage various software packages, including Python. To install Homebrew, paste the following command into terminal and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Now that Homebrew is installed, use it to install Python 3. This command installs the latest version of Python 3. After the installation is complete, check the Python version again. You should see the version number, indicating that Python has been successfully installed. It's a good practice to use virtual environments to manage Python dependencies for different projects. To create a virtual environment, you can use the following commands. To activate the virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python on your MacBook Air. You can now start coding in Python and use the power of the language for various projects. ChatGPT.